This week we read the Torah portion of Ki Tavo. In Parshat Ki Tavo, we move from prophetic dream to nightmare. The nightmare that is called Tochacha. In the Tochacha, or the rebuke, we see that the divine warning of what will happen if we don't live to our potential. It's truly a frightening passage that is an anomaly within the Torah of what will be in the future for the Jewish people if we do not make our destiny manifest in the highest degree. And we see the curses, both natural and supernatural, that will come about if we fail to actualize our mission in this world. I think there's an educational lesson to be learned here about how God educates us as B'nai Yisrael, as the Jewish people. We are challenged. We're not merely comfortable in Egypt with our reliable fish, but we're in the desert challenged to be our best. And we're warned what will become of us if we do not actualize that mission. I think this is true for us educationally today as well, that we need to be challenged, even uncomfortable in our learning. I like to call this productive discomfort. It is through productive discomfort that we come to think different, see different, understand ourselves, the other, our community, the world differently. And so when we come together to learn, I believe we should not merely be comfortable in our chairs. We should actually be productively uncomfortable. We should feel a cognitive dissonance that's profoundly shaking us to feel and see and think differently. This is not always the most fun experience, but it's in the hot zone where we start to think differently, that we truly grow to become something new, something better. This is the key to Jewish survival and to not only surviving, but to thriving as a Jewish community, that we continue to struggle with our values in every era, and it's the key for each one of us as well. I give us all the bracha, the blessing, that in our learning communities, we can continue to be comfortable, feel safe and trusted in a warm environment, but also that we can challenge ourselves, as God does in this Torah portion, to be a little bit uncomfortable, because it's in that productive discomfort where we ultimately will come to meet our own potential.